Let me show you how to search on Google using your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 or also the Ultra 2. So to be able to do that, you have to actually install an internet browser. So you can do that by going in your Play Store and in the search simply enter browser. Okay, it's quite fiddly to type. And you see you want to install this Samsung browser, so click install, and once you install it you can open it up and you see not only you can now watch YouTube videos, but also you can go to the Google search now. And you see you have full Google website here. So for example you can type in anything, just that the keyboard is quite fiddly. And you see, so let me zoom in. I see you have full Google search here. Also it takes a while to load these things, since again it's obviously still a watch. Yeah, so you see. So I can open some websites from the Google search. Let's see for example what it looks like. But yeah, I see definitely not that fast if you compare to like a smartphone. So yeah, I see you can now easily browse also websites here. Okay, good luck.